Hi guys, watch me roll.
Wait, can you pause this?
The tick thing on.
You have the thing on! He's so Ed.
I know. No, you know what's even more Ed than that?
What?
Your Spring Valley's Memorial Park.
Oh my gosh.
Because of
He's
those,
coming back, he's coming back, he's coming back.
Because of those statues that go like this.
Oh yeah, those statues, bro. It just looks like it was an epic fail. Now it's my turn. I just snapped a photo.
Hi guys.
All right, my turn. Can you pause, like, make it like what I can do, bro?
No, you gonna do it?
Oh yep.
Watching you just epic fail.
Oh, is this the one thing?
You're scared now.
Yeah, I'm already scared.
Yeah, because if he messes up.
Look at him. Look at him. He's like Superman. Oh my god. You see me rolling. Hey, John. This is how actually far it is. You see me rolling. Hey, 2 hours later.
Now there's a bunch of glass here. I didn't want to pop the glass.
Hurry up. Around it. Obviously.
Look, when you stand, some of your feet, it just like,
Some of your feet?
I mean,
What?
your feet, one of them. Some of your feet. You don't have to.
Oh god.
You're so edge. You're probably like the movie where Shut the fuck. So look, when you stand up, it transfers your weight on one of the things.
Wow, the things.
Whatever.
I don't even know what they're called.
Look at that, look at that. You saw that. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Look at that what? Oh.
Look at this.
My butt crack was showing?
No.
Now it was?
No.
Oh, yeah.
Wait, boy, gotta record me.
I already clicked it.
Alright. No, you didn't.
Yes,
Oh,
I
you
did. Okay.
First person.
This is first person. As you can see, I have 2 of my hands right here.
How? It looks like you can't even see.
I can see.
You gotta put that down a little because it's gonna get away in the camera. Yeah.
Wait.
Is it gonna fall?
Nope. This thing is purposely stretched enough and it gets tight.
This thing snaps. And it just, you know what?
Yo, man, I'm gonna actually ride.
Alright.
Yo, watch me. Watch this thing. Watch my thing fall. Just fall. Woo! Yeah. I can make sure it's still recording. Woo! You see? It doesn't come off. It just does not come off. It just doesn't not come off. Woo! Oh god, I'm about to crash that tree. What are you guys doing? I'm gonna jump over you! No, chicken. I bet this thing needs to. I bet. Guys, I think I love this thing. I'm in love with it already. I'm in love with it. I'm in love with it.
Because I jumped and
I honestly am in love with it.
I had to fart.
Bruh. No, come on, no.
I know, I'm gonna let it charge. I'm just sitting on it.
Is it off? Now it's off. Okay. Come on. That was
Wait,
first
basketball first person.
More first person.
Alright, go. Start it.
Hey. Am I actually recording? Yes, I am.
You're recording.
Hold up. Okay, I was just checking. Okay,
I
guys.
just turned it.
Woo! Oh god, I almost tripped. I'm gonna go down the street. I'm gonna go down. Oh God. I should go down that place, I bet. Oh my God. This is actually scary. I bet. Come on. Oh God, this thing is running out of battery so fast. Help me. This thing is running out of battery so bad. I suck at driving this thing. I'm not pro. Guys, I hope you guys enjoyed. Hopefully it will recharge itself. Hey guys, welcome back. It's dark, as you see. I'm in my room. The ripstick. The ripstick, what am I talking about? The MX 500. There's dirt bikes in here. Ran out of battery already. It's like been like 2 hours already. Since I came inside, and this thing's fully charged once again. So hopefully next week, because I don't have every single day, guys, to do this. So razor. But yeah. Maybe next week or some other day when I do have time, I'll definitely go and record some more first person stuff. And if you guys were wondering how I was doing this first person stuff, all of the power of a rubber band. Really strong, stretchy. Like, I wish I can just show you. I can. See this? Stretch, right back in. I just stretch it, and it goes right back in. Stretch it as far as I want, and it goes right back in. These are very good. And I just strap this around my head. It actually kind of hurts on the hair though, when you put it on. And then I put the camera right here in this little spot. Lock that up. Never comes off. That's how I was doing the first person stuff without GoPro. And I don't have a helmet either. But I'm not sure if I'm ever gonna get a helmet. But yeah, I definitely got $20. So I might go and get myself a helmet for like, I don't know. But I want those really bike professional helmets. As you see, I have my hidden things right there. All my money. And some quarters secretly hidden down there from the family members. Now, they know I have this money, but I barely use my money. I always try to do stuff with it. Like when I got the Turtle Beaches, I got like $90 and I used it all on the Turtle Beaches. I used all my money on Turtle Beaches. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys really enjoyed. I hope you guys enjoyed the first person stuff. That was really hard to make. It actually hurts when I put it on. But it was a really good method. If you don't have a GoPro, just get a rubber band. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and you know, I'm definitely gonna come out with more of these videos, and might be getting some more after school stuff, Minecraft stuff like that. Second channel, hopefully I'll upload some like behind the scenes or stuff like that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys all later. Peace out.